Clara, and this is Henry, and we are about to make overnight oatmeal pancakes
for St. Mother's Day.
For St. Mother's Day, by Catherine Lamb, and they were adapted from Molly Weisenberg's recipe on Orangette, her blog.
Hi, I'm Walker. Hi, Madison. We're making pancakes with our mom for Mother's Day. Okay, so we're gonna start out by adding 2 cups of oats into the with a knife.
Yeah.
I was messing up. That's that good. And then another cup. Here. Oh, I don't even know if it, okay. Well, actually, we need the fingers. Okay. And then we are going to add the buttermilk. 2 cups. 2 cups of buttermilk.
So Walker is gonna mix while I pour.
You have to mix. Oh, you have to pour. You have to mix water. You have to start mixing. Okay, now mix some more. You gotta add these. Come on, that's not mixing. This is mixing. You gotta mix.
I think you can just dump it all in.
Well, I don't know. Because
Sometimes stuff doesn't work like that.
there's nothing to mix.
Well, this also provides lots of negotiating.
This is not how you mix stuff, Walker. Let's switch roles. Okay?
All right.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a top on it, right?
Mhm.
Oh, yes, I think you have to do that.
Yeah.
And then you are going to. Oops.
There you go.
You're gonna put it in the fridge so that it can
Hydrate.
exist.
All right. Now we're gonna move on to the next step.
The second thing we have to do to prepare for tomorrow is we have to add the dry ingredients. So Walker will be adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda, and then I will be adding salt. A half teaspoon of salt, and a half cup. You're supposed to have flour, but we have
Supposed to have whole wheat flour.
whole wheat flour, but we're using rye.
Yeah.
And then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. So,
Okay, let's get going.
right. And don't forget a knife.
I'm gonna explain what the knife is for.
Oh, the knife is for top. Well, you don't need it for that, but it's like for like measuring things out, like
make
the
it-
top.
Yeah.
Make it smooth.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna.
No.
That was. I spilled some. Oh my god, I'm not good at this.
Well, also baking soda is weird. So it's good.
There you go.
Something else. Beautiful. And then, oh yay, okay.
You can also just kind of wing it if you want, but that's what I do.
Okay, and so now we have all of our dry ingredients. Now we're gonna put a top on.
All right, we're
Looking
ready.
good.
Yeah.
And you don't need to put this in the fridge. It's not okay.
You wanna sign off?
Oh yeah, signing off.
Bye.
You know what I did last night? I did something secret before you guys were in bed.
Yucky, what is that?
I mixed oats with buttermilk and put them in the fridge so they got nice and soft.
Looks gross.
Hey!
Can I crack it?
Excuse me. Yes, so Henry's gonna do the wet ingredients and Clara's gonna do the dry ingredients, right?
Okay.
So Hen, you're gonna crack an egg and then put it in there, just to be safe.
Oh no.
Just once, one nice crack like this.
I've cracked eggs before. What
There.
can I do one?
You can do one and Henry can do one.
Henry, can I do the next one?
Okay, hold on.
Here, push on.
Good job! Nice work. Here, I'll take the shell. Here, why don't you put that one in here?
Oh, there's a piece of shell in there.
Okay, grab the shell out.
There, look. I think there's another piece on the yolk, but
Once the
I'm not going.
there's no shell. Oh yeah, there's a tiny bit of shell. All right, I got
Flour is always right.
it. Do you want to put that in
I
there
don't
and
know how
then
long
do the
I've
second
cracked
one?
eggs, and I don't know how long it's been
Since
I've
you've cracked an egg. Do you know why we're doing it in a bowl first?
Yeah.
Why?
I cracked an egg.
What?
Hey.
Wait, hold on 1 sec. Why are we cracking it in a bowl first? Why are we doing it in a bowl first?
So you can take out the shell without needing to like dip your fingers into it. I'm gonna
Yes.
pour this in.
You can do mixing. How about
Your
that?
egg is big.
Woo!
Can I mix it?
Yes. Clara, why don't you come over and do the dry ingredients while Henry does some mixing?
All
right. Clara.
Smash the oats, Henry. Smash. Kill them.
All right. Henry, why don't you do the light brown sugar? We need 2 of those going in here. Right there. So actually the recipe calls for putting the light brown sugar in with the dry ingredients, but I actually think it's gonna work better to put them in with the wet ingredients. So we're gonna do that and see what happens.
Mommy.
Yeah.
So where do you want me to put
You know
it?
what you need to do with this? Just put it in there with the flour. You pat it down.
What?
You want 2 packed teaspoons of brown sugar. You pat it down till it's really tight and then flat, and then you dump it in there.
Flat.
Okay? Perfect. Got it.
Dump it in here.
Dump it in there. Yep. Clara's working on baking soda. Whoa, so
Can you
close.
pull that back? Oh, Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's the shape in the spoon.
I know. I know, it's
One
cool.
more.
Here, you want to see the shape in the shape of the spoon? The brown sugar?
Let me see. Can I see?
It's like a little half circle.
Ha 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 ha.
All right. Now salt.
One more cup, more salt.
One more of those.
A
And
chomp.
Clara's gonna do half a teaspoon of salt.
A chomp of salt.
Chomp.
I used to call a pinch of salt a chomp of salt.
Oh, you need a full half teaspoon there. There you go.
It's kind of
Why do you think we're putting salt into pancakes?
So they're salty.
But are pancakes usually really salty?
Ew. No, they're not.
No. But we still are putting in a little bit of salt. And you know why we're doing that? Perfect.
Ooh, whisk.
Why don't you whisk? We're doing that because
Why do we have to whisk?
can you listen to my salt explanation?
All right, fine. Mommy,
Yeah.
can I connect these together?
You can stir the whole thing.
All right.
So we put in salt, a little bit of salt, because a little bit of salt brings out the rest of the flavors. Doesn't make it salty, it just brings out all the other flavors. Yep, doing well. All right, so now we've got almost everything except for,
I want to do that. I want to do that.
hold
I want to
on,
do that.
excuse
I
me.
do wet ingredients.
What if I want to do it?
Okay, Mommy will do it, so we don't.
Here's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna put it in the microwave to melt, and we're gonna use the recipe. Excuse me.
Wait, we don't have a microwave. Oh yeah, do we?
Welcome to
Oh
my
yeah,
life.
it's melting. Oh look, the bar's melting. The bar's melting.
You see it? It's science.
The bar's melting. Oh yeah, it is. Mommy, I think it needs to go a little bit longer.
All right,
You can
Henry,
No.
why don't you take it out?
Is that melting? Is it hot?
Yes, it is.
Ew,
Yep.
it smells a little
It
weird.
smells like butter. Just put it right up here.
Hot
There we go. You can
Nice
see.
hot butter.
It's nice and melted. Close it up.
Nice
Press
hot butter.
close down there.
No, I can.
Okay, either way.
Nice
And now we're gonna add, we want a total of a half a cup. That was a quarter of a cup.
I want to do that.
All right, we're gonna pour this in until it gets to the 4 mark. Okay,
I wish this
Perfect.
have like an explosion.
thank you. So the recipe calls for coconut oil, vegetable
Can I
oil,
put
butter,
it
whatever you have. So we're doing a
Mom,
mix
can I
of
put it in?
vegetable
We can do
oil
it
and
everything.
butter
Can I
for a little flavor.
Can I put it in?
Guys, I'm gonna put it in.
I want to put it.
I'm gonna put it in.
No,
I'm
I'm
gonna put it in.
I want.
How about this? You put in half and Clara will put in half. Okay?
I go first. Now,
Okay.
how do I put it?
Now. Go. Great. Now Clara puts in the rest. And I'm gonna stir. So I get a job. Is it hot?
Where's the 4? Where did you put the 4? Henry put in like.
Don't worry about it. No, it's fine. Ay, ay, ay. You guys are. Today, what is it up with the fairness? situation.
So we just put a little coconut oil in the pan. Do you want to use, here, maybe I can do this.
Oh, that's new.
Yeah, I got a new double. Okay, so I'm just sort of spreading it around. And, all right, so now you want to do this, 1/3 of a cup for each pancake. And then if you need, you can use this, yeah, you can scoop it up and then you can use this to sort of, yeah, you don't want it to be over. There you go, that'll be good. Yeah, oops.
Walker.
Do you want to put chocolate chips in one? All right. Clara's a big chocolate chip pancake fan. Okay, do them quickly. You're spacing out. I saw that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you putting any in this one? We're gonna have to flip it soon, so hurry up.
3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What is this tech? Huh? It's gonna melt. What happens when you throw the chocolate chips at the pancake? Do you want to put any more in? That's not very many.
Yeah.
It's okay. Chocolate chip down.
Yeah, I must
All right,
have
I'm gonna
one.
check this one to see how it's looking. Ooh, it's looking pretty amazingly golden.
This is mine.
That's yours?
Got a
More
lot of
chocolate?
Everything has to have chocolate in it. Even when we made the chocolate pizza. Okay, that's mine.
Okay.
Mine.
We're doing another batch because the first batch had some aesthetic issues. Okay, we're gonna do smaller pancakes because we think they'll be easier. We know they'll be easier to flip. Yeah. You wanna do these? Okay, here, you do the 3rd one.
Let's do want to do one more?
Wanna try a little bite?
Mine.
Here.
Must have. Does that have chocolate? What?
Like a
Seagull from Finding Nemo. Mine. Does that have chocolate in it? That piece of chocolate.
Now it does.
Okay, good.
Don't tell me. I don't want to know. It's gonna be a surprise when I try mine.
Okay, we're gonna flip the first one. Ready? 1, 2. Yeah. Okay, you wanna go for it?
Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, so you gotta get the spatula really under it. Okay, so just like own it. You got it.
Oh,
Just keep it.
come on.
Yeah. You wanna try one, Ed? You got it.
It's gonna be really bad.
No. You got it. There. Woo!
Nice job.
Okay, so when you make these, you really have to sort of adjust the heat so that they brown nicely but don't burn, because they are quite thick, and you want to make sure that they have enough time to cook through. Hi there. Nice to see you guys.
You, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. You do.
My children really wanted to wish me a happy Mother's Day, so you know.
Celebrating in style, like crying in another room.
Yeah, they're both having their own separate meltdowns.
What are you guys putting on top of yours?
We have some maple syrup. I think there's some chocolate chips hiding in one of these because the kids were making them with me. Yeah, so chocolate chips go into, a lot of them.
That's not for you, right, Jonathan? You don't eat the ones with chocolate chips.
I'm not a chocolate chip pancake. I'm kind of a plain buttermilk pancake kind of guy.
We're each gonna dress our own. We have some maple syrup and then we have honey butter.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Favorite. It's by Velvet Bees, and it's honey and butter in a jar. You keep it in the fridge, and it's amazing. How is it?
It's really good.
Yeah? White bees rye for ours. It's really good.
I feel like this was a big success. Despite the fact that there are no children here with us.
Judging by height, Amanda doesn't have any children with her either.
There we go. Wait, look, I have shoes. I just took my shoes off. Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, we have
Oh, the child has appeared.
we have one child.
Come here, dude.
Want to have a pancake?
Just pick you up.
All right.
Hey, Henry.
Pancake rejection. That never happens.
These pancakes are excellent, despite Henry's
Okay.
gestures.
I'll take his word for it.
All right, well, have a happy Mother's
All
Day.
right. Happy Mother's Day. Nice to see you. These pancakes are great. Woo. Bye.
Bye.